Hi everyone and welcome to Girls What World. It's Carly here and today I'm going to be unboxing the Ultimate Girl Power issue. Now if you're into all things fiery females and you love to stand up for your squad, then this is the best magazine for you. So we've got some awesome gifts here. We've got some sassy slogan key rings and you can put whatever letters you want on. If you want your name, your bestie's name, you can do that. If you want to stick with a sassy slogan like Girl Power, then keep that. It's completely up to you. It's got some brilliant badges, so you can stick them on your top, your bag, your jacket, some super slogan bands. So you can either keep these all for yourself and wear them all at once, or you can give them out to your friends and family, whatever you decide. And a really cute panda fluffy pen, and I will take it out of the packet in a minute so you can see his face a little bit more because I need you to see the cool cuteness. As I said, here's the pen, loving it. So great for all your notebooks and journaling girls, just to feel a little bit more cooler. And who doesn't love pandas, because they are my favourite animal. Also inside we've got some awesome Ari content, and I'll flip this up so you can have a little sneak peek of what's in store. Got some Sky Brown and Dina Asher Smith, so some sporting tips from our sporting heroes there. Some adorable animals. Green Queen Greta, so find out all about her and how she's going to save the world. And some kindness hacks. Right, let's go, let's get started. So first things first, we've got the Ultimate Girl Power playlist. So if you're feeling a bit sluggish one day, I promise you, blast some of these out loud on your speaker in your room, have a dance around and you'll be feeling miles better in seconds. So what have we got here? What's my favourite? Let's have a look. I'm gonna go with, drum roll please. Power, Little Mix, of course. I know it's number one on there and I think it should be because Little Mix are life and I love them very much. Oh, and look, you can write your favourite Fear songs here. If yours aren't on the list, then feel free to add it just there and add them to a giant playlist. Here we've got a Cool to Be Kind spread, and isn't that true, girls? Because we should all support one another and stand up for our friends and ourselves actually. So yeah, here we've got Emma Watson, Nicki Minaj here, Jojo, a little bit of everyone. I'm not going to tell you exactly what it says because I want you to go get the issue. And here, as I mentioned on the front cover, bit of Greta action. So we all know that she has done so much already. She started, I think, climate campaigning at 15 and now she's 18. She's literally a worldwide name and done so much at such a young age. And I think that just proves to us and all of us watching that you can do anything. Doesn't matter how old you are. So keep going. Oh, and I'll turn back. I can't ignore this adorable poster, can I? So, skip a straw, save a turtle. Great slogan, live by it. Girl boss check. So, got an awesome Ariana picture here. So I think that just even makes a really good poster as well. So what we've got here, make like Ari and live your best life in 6 quick steps. Now, I'm not going to tell you these steps because you have got to go get the mag, but Ariana is everyone's idol, right? So I suggest you check out the issue. A lovely shopping page. So if you love slogans and sassiness and just want them to just reflect in your wardrobe, then I suggest you take a look at this page and maybe save your pocket money and maybe get a little treat or two. So this is Sky Brown. This is her awesome skating fact file. She's 12 actually, and she's already done so much already. She's a really good athlete. I think she's done some snow sports in the past, but her passion lies in skateboarding and she's really good, and she's actually got a new range out at Claire's Accessories. So if you want to check that out, then please do. Inspo poster which you can colour in, whether you want to do it in like neon colours or pastels, completely up to you. Ready, steady, bake. So if you love baking and being in the kitchen like I do, I mean I'm not the best but I'll give it a go, then please try out these amazing Slogan biscuits. So I feel like I wouldn't even want to eat them straight away because I want to look at them because they're so pretty. But yeah, give them a go. You can give them out to all the females in your family or friendship group, and yeah, you might just brighten their day up. Got another slogan poster, be the reason someone smiles today. Isn't that just lovely? Who run the world? Girls do, of course. So here's some inspirational females from around the globe, some sporting stars, politicians, Malala, who campaigns for every girl to have the right to go to school, and well, that's astronaut over here. So Alyssa Carson was actually the first person to complete all of NASA's space camps. There's 7 of them, so that's great. And I think she was, yeah, she's only now 18, so yeah, you go, girl. Here's facts. Check out the females ruling the animal queendom. So sassy female animals who are just living their best lives. Look how cute that is. I love it. Here's some awesome competitions. So these are just amazing. So I think they've got a little bit for everyone, really. I think it will test your friendship to the test, really. So I'll just take in this quiz, will show you how good of a friend you are. So we're going to give you a few situations, and however you answer them will either you'll end up at game over, and that's what will give you a tip to how to carry on and be a better friend, or you might already be the perfect pal and just go straight to the best BFF end goal, where we don't have to teach you anything. Maybe you should teach us. Some puzzle fun. Who doesn't love some fun puzzles? I definitely do. So here's a little bit of Disney action. We've got Moana, Spot the Difference, Movie Match, Word Search. You know the drill. You'll love it. Keep you busy for a while as well. And some hacks. So we've got 6 rules for being amazing. So I'm not going to tell you them either because you need to read to find out, but that is very impressive. And let me tell you now, I can do that too. Bet you didn't know that. But we've got friends on here and eating pizza. So, you know, they're going to have to be good, aren't they? Because who doesn't want to eat pizza and watch Friends? But yeah, thanks so much. To end, we've got a lovely final slogan poster, which will look perfect on your wall. That's a wrap. That's the issue. Thanks so much for watching. Please, guys, go out and get it. It's on the shelves now. You won't regret it. And yeah, let us know what you think of it. See you later. Bye.